Have you ever wanted to know a fantastic crumb squid recipe?
Well, stick around and we can show you.
Yes, the most delicious you will ever find. Welcome back, wonderful people.
Thanks for joining us again for another Camersan cook up. And today we have a good treat for you.
Yes, time we went fishing at Bustleton, we took the boat out and we caught loads of squid. And it was really exciting for us because that was the first time we've ever caught squid at all. And
Yeah.
at the time we concocted this really good recipe to crumb the squid. And it's not just any recipe, it's one that really makes your taste buds party.
But this time we went fishing for squid at Bustleton. No luck.
Yes, but we won't let that stop us from showing you our crumb squid recipe. We got this squid for $15 at Bunbury Squid Market.
Yeah.
And so stick around and we can show you everything you need and how easy it can be.
Yes. Stick around.
All right, so this is what you're going to need. You're going to need 3 bowls. 1, 2, 3. In the first bowl is the most complex. We've got corn flour or cornstarch, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, ground chili, white pepper and black pepper, and salt. Put all that in here in the quantities that you want in the first bowl. And the second bowl, we've just got 3 eggs. And the last bowl, we have breadcrumbs, but we add extra herbs to the herb breadcrumbs. This is oregano, but we prefer to add mixed herbs, which is what we did before. Okay.
Okay.
Alright, we'll try and maintain that temperature because that's about right. This is our Crumbed Squid recipe. Let's give it a try.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells really good,
It
doesn't
smells
it?
really good.
Yeah. I'm gonna try it. That one's a little bit hot. I'm gonna try one at the bottom.
So okay, let's try, babe.
Yeah. Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Dear.
Okay.
Okay, let's try.
Cheers, babe.
Cheers. Mm.
Mmm. Mmm.
Mm.
Oh yeah. Mmm. It's so much better than just regular crumbed
Yeah.
squid. Hey. Mmm.
Mm.
Mmm. Mmm. That's it.
Mm.
Mmm.
Mm.
Mmm.
So good.
Oh yeah. That's it.
Mm. You can taste the herbs. It's nice.
Yeah, you're right. Mmm. And it's nice with the spicy chili there, isn't it?
Mm.
There's a bit of chili taste in it. Mmm.
Yum yum, guys.
Mm.
So good.
Oh, you really should give this a try. Make sure you give it a like too, because this is delicious.
Yeah, that's right.
Very masarap. Hey, babe.
Masarap. Mm.
Mmm.
Like your wife, masarap. Huh?
That's right. Do you like my sauce?
Yeah,
Mm.
I like your sauce.
It's good seafood sauce.
Very tasty.
Just mayo and tomato. Seafood sauce. Mmm.
Your sauce is like you, babe. Very yummy.
Mmm.
Very masarap. Huh?
Mmm.
Mm. Mm.
Oh yeah. This is better than you'll get at any restaurant. The squid doesn't cost much,
Mm.
but if you prepare it right, better than you'll get at any restaurant. And it's easy to make. It's so easy. Just get that stuff, put it in the free bowls, and dip it in the way that we showed you, and you're really gonna like it. Mmm. Look at that. Look at all the herbs and stuff on that. Look at that.
Mm.
And then on the inside. Mmm. Mmm. Oh yeah. Look at that. Really meaty. This is a good one, this one, isn't it?
Mm.
Mm.
How much we buy this for $15?
Mm. Oh yeah. Mm. It's easy to make. It doesn't take long to do, and it's really, really delicious. Hey, sweetie.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you like this recipe, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let us know what you think. And if you have any other ideas for squid recipes, let us know in the comments below. And make sure you come eat and travel with us.
Yes, please.
That's right, stick this one in your gob, it's delicious.
Yeah.